YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Naj Thrax, and I'm back with another banger. Welcome back to Thrax.Kicks, the channel where I do sneaker reviews, how-tos, and sneaker news. So if you're into that thing, I'm gonna need you to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and go ahead and lock in with me. Today I'm going to be cracking open a package that I got from Nike. They sent your boy a couple custom shoes. I got one in the mail today, so I'm going to go ahead and crack into this box. Now if y'all want the information on where to get this shoe at, I'll put it down in the description below. I'll send y'all a direct link so that y'all can get on Nike ID and y'all can do the same thing for your shoes. They have a different array of colors, sizes, silhouettes, and anything that you want to do to customize your shoes. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. That's hard. Off rip before I even open up the shoe, I'm loving this custom box. I'm talking about loving this custom box. This is so dope to me, man. This is the first time that I've done something like this, so I'm pretty excited if you can't tell. Starting off with this tissue paper, you can already see that they added a custom touch by doing the one-of-one. As you can see, that's so dope, man. I love the all-white box too. That is like the perfect touch. I love it. Ooh-wee. Yo, man, go get you some of these, man. These are dope, man. Oh, bro. Whew. Here you have my custom one-of-one Watermelon Air Force One high. Nike hooked your boy up, man. I am really digging these. I love the colorway. Of course, I did it myself, so I do love the colorway. I'm gonna put that tissue paper back in there. So let's go ahead and go over what colors that I ordered. On the upper, I got it all in leather. I got a nice little leather design on the Nike swooshes. I went with the translucent bottom, and I got it in like a gum pink, just so it could look like the insides of a watermelon, basically. And I know the insides of watermelon are red, but I think that this looks more like a candy watermelon. Like if you ever bit into a lollipop and it was watermelon, the outside was green and the inside was pink. So I went ahead and did the sock liner on the inside with pink and draped it with the pink laces. Also went ahead and put the pink strap on there just to flow along with the theme. Nike ID lets you custom what you put on the back of these. So I went on ahead, and since this was a watermelon color, or watermelon as I like to call it, I went ahead and put watermelon on the back of the shoe. I think that's a pretty dope touch. They're all gonna come with your classic Nike Air Force One on the tongue. Lace lock down on the end. It's gonna be your regular Air Force One lace lock, and it comes in the color of your laces. I think you may be able to get that another color though, but don't quote me on that. I think it was a nice little touch to keep the midsole white and to get the outsole translucent, just so I could have that nice little sliver of color at the bottom to match with the tones on the top. Man, when I tell you I'm feeling this translucent bottom, it's really dope. Perfect touch to the shoe. The shoe is such a deep color that a translucent pink on the bottom just sets it off, man. Look at that. That is so dope. So if you're looking to get you a pair of Air Force Ones customized, you can go on Nike ID and you can get low tops for $110 or you can get high tops for $120. I personally think that it's worth the extra $20. You're going to pay $100 in the store for a high top. So why not pay the extra $20 and go ahead and get a custom colorway, and you can get your name on it, you can get your initials on it, whatever that you want to put on it, and it ships right to your door. Also, if you're a Nike Access member, you're going to get members access to 3M colorways, Pendleton colorways, and many other colorways that get unlocked by you being a Nike member. And I must say, the best thing about getting a customized shoe is that you're literally walking around with a shoe that nobody else has. That's kind of the point of being a sneakerhead, is to get exclusive kicks and to make your own style out of them, right? So, I mean, this was a no-brainer for me. I've been wanting to do it for a while. I ordered them a little bit after my birthday, which was in October. They shipped out after they were made, and they got to me on December 1st. So that's not too bad of a turnaround time. All in all, I love these. I think that the colorway is very unique. I'm going to be rocking these a lot. I just got to find an outfit to go with these. I have no idea what I'm going to wear with these, but I'm sure I'm going to be able to find something to go with it. If it ain't nothing but a white tee and some jeans, I think it'll pop. I think it'll set this right off. So maybe that might be the fit, but I am going to try to see if I can color match these with something. I'm sure that on Nike ID or Nike.com or something like that, I can just Google the colors that I put on this shoe, and it's probably going to bring up a couple outfits that I can wear with this. So maybe I'll go that route. If y'all see anything out there though, y'all can hit me up. Y'all can DM me. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, all at Thrax.kicks. So y'all know where to hit me up. Go ahead and flood my inbox and give me some outfit ideas that I can wear with these. But enough of me talking. I know what y'all came here for. Let's go ahead and get these on feet. There you have it. The Air Force One High, Watermelon. Y'all get in the comments, y'all let me know how y'all like these. Let me know if they're hotter than not. Let me know if you would cop, if you would sell, if you would pass. Give me some feedback. I want to know if I can get into this sneaker colorway thing, man. Thank you for watching. This has been Thrax.kicks, and I'm out.